Stock futures are experiencing minor fluctuations after a significant rebound on Wall Street, with the S&P 500 achieving its best performance since May. This positive turn comes after a challenging week for the market, where major averages faced substantial losses. On Monday, stock futures showed little movement, but the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average demonstrated remarkable resilience, each rising by over 1%. This recovery marks the S&P 500's most substantial one-day gain since May 27, effectively reversing more than half of the previous Friday's decline. The Dow Jones also had its most impressive day since September 11, breaking a 5-day losing streak and recovering 2/3 of its Friday losses. These positive shifts were primarily attributed to a reassuring Truth Social post by President Donald Trump, which alleviated investor concerns regarding escalating trade tensions between the U.S. and China. The post's message, "Don't worry about China, it will all be fine," had a notable impact, causing tech stocks like Oracle, AMD, and Nvidia to surge, thereby propelling the market higher. The tech-heavy Nasdaq saw an impressive gain of over 2%. However, experts like Ulrich Hoffman-Burchardi, global head of equities at UBS Global Wealth Management, cautioned that trade policy remains a significant factor influencing U.S. financial markets this year. Last week's re-escalation in tensions between the U.S. and China has led to heightened market volatility, and the ongoing stance of both sides suggests further volatility until the end of the month. Despite the current challenges, investors are optimistic about maintaining this momentum, especially with the upcoming earnings reports from major banks such as JPMorgan Chase and Goldman Sachs on Tuesday.